All right, so let's go over what supplies we're going to need. We have our wood panel to do our painting on. We're going to need some gesso to base coat it. I've got a variety of brushes here that I'll be using throughout the class. A lot of these can be substituted for other ones. These are just my favorites. I also have a palette knife for mixing paint colors because we are just going to be using the primary colors plus black and white. We're going to be mixing our own shades. So you can customize your colors to what suits you, what you like. I have a stencil for the deer. I'll put a link on the supply list for where I got this from. And then you either need graphite paper or a cheap alternative, charcoal and or chalk, depending on which one you're going to need, and you're going to understand which one a little bit when we get to that point. Just depends whether you're trying to transfer an image onto a lighter surface or a darker surface as to which one you are going to need. You're also going to want some paper towel to clean and dry your brush on, as well as a cup of water. I think that's pretty much it. With the paper towel, you could also use some baby wipes. I regularly clean my area that I have my paint on. I put my paint on this little surface here, which is a non-stick mat. You could use just a piece of plastic, recycle a lid from sour cream container or something like that, product packaging, that sort of thing. It doesn't have to be anything fancy, but you do want to have something that you can be mixing your paint on. So there we go. Let's get into starting our project.